I have a dream, I have a dream. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers.
Isn't it lovely, all alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone?
It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Everywhere you look, every time you listen, people are using words in punchy, powerful ways to persuade you. How do they do that with such memorable and great success? By choosing the best words and putting them in the best order to grab your mind and make you sit up and pay attention. Oh, and they also use what are known as rhetorical techniques. What's that then? Rhetorical techniques are specific, deliberate constructions of language which someone uses to convey meaning. A person's use of a rhetorical technique usually occurs with a short phrase or a group of phrases at a single moment in a text or a speech. These rhetorical techniques infuse all areas of our life. We see them being used on our screens. Tick, tock. We hear our friends and family members trying to convince us with them. Would you like it if I told you when to stop looking at your phone? We enjoy amazing poetry because of them. Hope is the thing with feathers. Rhetorical techniques, when used well, are the fireworks that light up the skies of the mind. They're the sparkles on our oceans of words. They're the tastiest morsels your brain can be fed. So don't you want to know how to use them well? Aren't you dying for everyone to listen to you? Don't you want to rule the word? This series is all about rhetorical techniques. We're going to take a walk through the garden of linguistic delights to introduce you to the very best in literary excellence. Each video will be dedicated to one technique, and the videos will all be structured in a similar way. We're going to define the techniques, explore why and when people might want to use them, and look at memorable examples to show you the kind of impact they can have. Each video is accompanied by an interactive AI tutor activity, which you can do if you subscribe to my platform. The link is in the description below. Your personal AI tutor will help you to create fantastic examples of all those rhetorical techniques, pushing you to make the most interesting and inspirational linguistic choices you can. And your tutor will give you a target every time you complete a rhetorical technique activity, so that the next time you try, you can attempt to hit your target and do even better. By the end of the course, you'll have learnt the 3 key skills of rhetorical techniques: recognising, analysing, and utilising, so that you can become not only a devoted student of word force, but also a great master of the linguistic lightsaber. Why is that going to help you? What you learn here will both teach you to analyse the hell out of anything you read and use rhetorical techniques to make your creative writing more persuasive. That's what examiners looking to award A grades love. The importance of recognising, analysing and utilising rhetorical techniques cannot be overestimated in shaping your ability to influence the people around you in the world. So lace up your boots and let's take a walk on the word side. Okay, before we start, let's do a little test of your technical knowledge. You may have noticed that video was jam-packed with rhetorical techniques. But what exactly were those techniques? Let's see how many of them you can name in the 3 seconds before the answer is revealed. Ready, steady, go. I have a dream. I have a dream.
3, 2, 1.
We few, we happy few, we band of brothers.
3, 2, 1.
Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone.
3, 2, 1.
It is the east, and Juliet is the sun.
3, 2, 1.
We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills.
3, 2, 1.
You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise.
3, 2, 1.
Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
3, 2, 1.
Would you like it if I told you when to stop looking at your phone?
3, 2, 1.
Hope is the thing with feathers.
3, 2, 1.
People are using words in punchy, powerful ways to persuade you.
3, 2, 1.
Don't you want to rule the word?
3, 2, 1.
A great master of the linguistic lightsaber.
3, 2, 1.
How many of those terms did you know? And how many were new to you? We're going to be exploring all of those techniques and more in the videos to come. So hit the like button, let me know in the comments which techniques you're desperate to explore, and join me now to get wording in Rhetoric with Robin.